Today we learn about multiplication of monomial by a binomial. So monomial, as the name, mono means one, expression containing one term. Binomial means expression containing two terms. So let us take one example. Multiply 2x by 3y plus 7. 2x only one term, it is a monomial. 3y plus 7 two terms, so it is a binomial. We are to multiply 2x by 3y plus 7. As these are two times, we will keep this in bracket. So we know that these algebraic expressions, they represent one number. So these expressions represent one number. So the laws applicable to numbers are applicable here. So we will use here distributive law. What is distributive law? Distributive law is if A, B, C are three numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This we will use here. We will multiply this with every term, each and every term of this number, this expression. So this is equal to 2x into first term is 3y plus again this 2x into the second term is 7. 2x into 7. This is equal to multiply this and this. So 2 into 3. After that, multiplication of algebraic factors. X into y plus 2x into 7. So 2 into 7 into x. This is equal to 2 into 3 6. X into y is xy plus 2 into 7 14 and x. This is the answer. Okay. Let us take one more example. This is a square into 2ab minus 5c. When we write this in bracket, even if there is no sign of multiplication, this means we are to multiply a square with this. Okay, this is one expression and this is one expression. This is one term monomial, this is two term binomial. So here also we will use the distributive law. So this is equal to a square into the first term 2ab, this sign, and then a square into 5c. Okay, so this is no numerical coefficient means 1. So 1 into 2 into a square into ab. Okay, minus no coefficient means 1 into 5 into a square into c, the algebraic factors. This is 2. Now we will plug first the same base term, that is a square into a. So when we multiply the same base, exponents powers are added. This is 2 plus 1 3. So this is 2 plus 1 3 and b. Minus 1 into 5 5 a square c. This is the answer. Okay. So next is multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial. Say we take the example 4p square plus 5p plus 7 into 3p. This is trinomial having three terms 1, 2, 3, and this is monomial. Okay, I can write this as 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. How? Using commutative law of numbers, which says a into b I can write as ba. I can interchange the number. This is one number, this is one number. So I can interchange so that I can apply distributive law here. Okay. Now according to distributive law, this is you have to multiply this term of monomial, which is only one term, by each and every term of this trinomial. Okay. So this is 3p into 4p square. First term we will multiply, then the plus sign, then the second term we will multiply 3p into 5p and then this plus sign, then this with the third term 3p into 7. Okay, we can put these in brackets to avoid any confusion. Now this is 3 into 4. How to multiply we know. First we will multiply numerical coefficients, after that algebraic factors. This plus 3 into 5 into p into p, first the numerical coefficients, then algebraic factors, plus 3 into 7 into p. This is 12 into p into p. We will use the law of exponent here, which says when you multiply the same with same base, powers are added. So p here it is the same base here. Here no power means 1. So powers will be added means 1 plus 2. So this will be 3 plus 3 into 5 15, same base 1. So p, when we multiply p, powers will be added 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 into 7 21 p. So this is 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. This is the answer. Next we will take examples. So fifth I have taken simplify and evaluate. 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3y minus 4 minus 63 for y minus 2. First we will simplify this. So this is equal to 3y into 2y minus 7. When there is no sign means it is multiplication with bracket, minus 3 into y minus 4 minus 63. So this is here this is a monomial and this is a binomial having two terms. So multiplication of monomial with binomials means we will multiply this term with each term of this. So first 3y into 2y. This is the first term, then same sign minus here, then 3y, multiply 3y with second term. Okay. This minus as it is. Here also this is binomial, this is binomial, same. Multiply this term with first this term, then this sign, and then first term with second term. So 3 into y. Again this is a multiplication of monomial with binomial. So we will multiply this with first term of this, then same sign, and then again multiply this by the second term. So 3 into y, we will put a bracket, big bracket here, minus this sign and 3 into 4. This with the second term and minus 63. Why big bracket? Because first we will solve this much and then we will take into account this sign. Here it is minus. In the next step, sign will change because minus into minus will be plus. Okay, that is why we have put a big bracket over here. Next is 3y into 2y. 3 into 2y into y minus 3y into 7. 3 into 7 into y. Numerical coefficients first we will multiply, after that algebraic factors y into 5. Same here, numerical coefficients are 3 into 7 then y. Then minus, now we will open this bracket. 3y minus 3 into 4 12 minus 63. This is equal to 6. Y into y is y square. Here y is the same way, 6 powers will be added. No power means it is 1 power, it is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Minus sign as it is, 3 into 7, 21 y minus 3y, because no sign means plus. So minus into plus, minus. Now this is minus. So minus into minus, plus. Plus 12 minus 63. Correct? So this is equal to 6y square minus, now we will add the like terms. Now this is minus 21y and minus 3y. Y term, y term. So these two are like terms. So we will add this. Minus 21y minus 3y. What we will do? Same sign put here and add 21 plus 23 is 4y as it is. So this is minus 24y and 12 and 63 are like terms. So 63 it is with minus sign, 12 is with plus sign. Different sign we will subtract and put the sign of bigger number. So this is minus 51. This is the simplification. Right? Now we are to find the value of this when y is equal to minus 2. So value of this we have simplified this as is. Now in this we will put y is equal to minus 2. Putting y is equal to minus 2, we get 6 into y minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 24 into y is minus 2. Okay. Minus 51. This is 6 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4. Minus 24 into 2 is 48 and this is minus. Plus into minus minus. Minus 51. So this is 24 minus into minus plus 48 minus 51. 24 plus 48, 72 minus 51. It is 21. 21 is the answer. Okay. Next is add this and this. First we will simplify and then we will add. So simplification of this is a monomial, this is a binomial. Bracket is here means we are to multiply these two. So 5m into 3 minus m. This is, first we will multiply this with first term of this sign and this with the second term. This is 5m into 3, same sign here, then 5m into m. So this is 5 into 3 into m minus 5 into 1 into m into m. Okay. So this is 15m minus 5 into n 5 into 1 5, m into m is m square. Same ways powers will be added. No power means 1. So 1 plus 1 2. This is the simplification of this expression. Now we have to add this in this. So that means this with this. Okay. Here. First I will write this 15m minus 5m square. We have to add this. So what we will do? We will write like terms one below the others. Now 6m square. M square term is this. We will write 6m square below this. Okay. No sign means plus. Minus 13m. This is m term. So minus 13m. Now we will add m as it is. No sign means it is plus. Different sign means we will subtract 15 minus 13 2 sign of the bigger number plus. Then minus and plus different sign we will subtract from the bigger number the smaller number, that is 1 6 minus 5 1, and sign of the bigger number, that is plus m square as it is. Okay. 1 generally we don't write, so I can write this as plus m square is the answer. Next is example 7. Subtract 3pq p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. First we will simplify both these and then we will subtract. Okay. This is multiplication of, this is one term monomial and this is two term binomial. Okay. So this is equal to 3pq into p minus q. So this is equal to, we will multiply this term with first term first, 3pq into p, this sign as it is, put this in bracket, then this term with second term, 3pq into q. This is equal to numerical coefficients 3 into 1, then pq into p minus 3 into 1 into pq into q. Okay, so this is equal to 3 p into p. First we will take their power 1, so it will be p square q. Same base p powers will be added, so p square q as it is minus 3p and q square. Okay, this is a simplification of this expression. Now we will simplify this 2pq into p plus q. This is equal to 2pq into p. Multiply this with the first term first, this sign as it is, then 2pq into q. Okay, now this is 2 into 1 2, pq into p. So p square q plus 2 into 1 2 pq square. Okay, now we have to subtract this from this, so we will write this first. That means we will write this first, 2p square q plus 2pq square. We have to subtract this, so this is the simplification. We will subtract this, write this expression below this. P square q is the first term, this is p square q, so we will write 3p square q here and minus pq square, this is also pq square. So like terms I can write this. Now since we are to subtract this from this, we will change the signs. This is plus, we will change as minus, this is minus, and we will change as plus. You know why signs are changed? Because from this we are to subtract this. That means we are to subtract this whole from it. Why do we change sign? Because minus into no sign means it is plus. Minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. Okay. Now no sign means it is plus. Now 2 minus 3 p square cube. P square cube we will write as it is 2 minus 3. Different sign we will subtract from bigger number the smaller number. 3 minus 2 is 1, and sign of the bigger number we will put. Okay. Now plus and plus same sign, we will put the same sign and add 2 and 3 5 pq square. Okay. 1 we generally don't write, so I can write this as minus p square cube plus 5 pq square. This is the answer.